Hey y'all, today this 3rd gen Tacoma is going to be getting a 4-inch spindle lift. I'm going to give you a quick walk around. The lift is from Headstrong Off-Road. It's made by Maxtrac. That is what the lift spindle looks like. It drops the hub and has a longer neck. It comes with longer DOT approved brake lines that are in that box right there. And over here for the rear lift, kit comes with 2-inch blocks. You can alter that through Headstrong Off-Road. They can match stuff, you know, if you want to leaf pack, things like that. But this is what comes from Maxtrac if you just order the kit straight as. Comes with longer shocks than the hardware. Not too wild about blocks, but apparently this is what works with the TSS. So I'm going to start with that. If I have to move to longer leaf pack or something like that, we'll go from there, you know? And so down here, you have the wheel and tire setup. Those are Toyo Open Country AT3s. They're 285/70 R17. That's a 17 by 9 inch fuel block wheel in bronze. It is designed by Ken Block. It's got his number down here, 43. This is a removable ring. It's not a beadlock, but it's removable if you damage it off-road. And so in order to run this spindle lift, you have to have at least a 17-inch large wheel, and you also need to have 4.75 inches of back spacing or less. And so this wheel meets that criteria. It's a -12 offset with a 4.3-inch back spacing. So next up, I'm gonna get this thing loaded and head on over to the shop. Hey, also here's the finished product. Check it out. Big shout out to the people at Headstrong Off-Road for answering all my questions. Big thank you to the people at Discount Tire. Also, really can't recommend ACC Garage enough. Those people are really passionate about what they do, big time enthusiasts. Same with the people over at Greer Automotive that did my alignment. If you're in the Georgia area, even maybe in the surrounding states, I mean, those people really know what they're doing. So, can't recommend them enough. And there it is. If you have any questions for me about fitment, the lift itself, anything like that, anything you want to see, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in.